less traffic versus a lot of traffic. Welcome back, you're watching Aciero. Today I'm back again with traffic. We're talking about traffic because I've had so many people say they don't have traffic on their website and they want lots and lots of traffic. Today I'm here to tell you about how high traffic versus less traffic. In my opinion, I have been on this journey for a very long time, and I've done so many experiments and I've seen so many things in digital marketing and also people having traffic on their websites and getting traffic. So I would like to make you understand, because if you know your analytics, and most of you don't know what analytics is yet, but set up a Google Analytics account because it's going to be helpful to you. And if you haven't done so and you first want to know what analytics can mean to you and what it will help you, there's a video over here, it's about analytics. Click on it and then go there and watch that video after you've watched this video or before you watch this video. If you cannot measure it, you cannot improve it. That's logic. If you cannot measure something, how do you expect to improve that thing? So to me, I always want to measure things. I always help businesses with their analytics, especially businesses who are just starting out, because most of the times business owners, you don't know where to start analytics report and you don't understand it, and someone says to you, yeah, we've got you lots of traffic and this and this, but you haven't got conversions. So what's the point of you getting lots and lots of traffic which you're paying lots and lots of money without conversions? Yeah, so that doesn't really count or matter to anyone. What I've realized, in my own opinion, is I have been running ads for a very long time, and I've also had organic traffic, and I've been using my analytics to help me. But what I'm here to talk about is a case study, because most of you won't believe that less traffic is better than having lots and lots of traffic coming to your website. I think last year I had lots and lots of traffic coming to my website, and none of those traffic converted as well. And this year there was so little traffic on my website, but all the traffic that was coming in was converting to that client's website. So I would like to take you through the analytics. So because right now I got my iPad, and let me see, to give you specific figure, I'm going to just put them here for you to see. I'm not going to show you my iPad, but I'm just going to link it here so that you see it. In May of this year, I got less traffic for one of the websites I manage. It only got 881 new users, and there were 1,100 sessions, yeah, on that website. And the bounce rate was 7%. The session on that website was 2.18 minutes, yeah, 2 minutes point 18, yeah. So people were actually spending time on this website, and there were not lots of people, but this website converted. This website converted. Out of the 881 people that came, we managed to sell to half of them. Yeah, that's how high it converted. Let's see when we got lots and lots of users. In November, we had lots and lots of users coming in from everywhere onto this website. We had 2,300 session users, and we had 1,600 new users. What happened is the average session was 1 minute and 22 seconds. The bounce rate was 11%, so which was higher than the previous one. Apparently, none of this traffic converted. We made no sales with this traffic. It's higher than the other traffic. The bounce rate is also higher. Pages that they visited are 3.1. This traffic was actually almost this website's highest traffic, because yeah, this website is really niche down and it doesn't cater to everyone, but the traffic that came on was a lot, and we expected to make sales. But apparently all that, lots and lots and lots of traffic did not convert as we expected. There were 1,300 sessions that were happening and 1,600 users. So that was a lot and a lot. When we're looking at this case study, we have to look at the location of these people, because we were running ads on this traffic, and in this location we got 500 people from the location where this website sells to, 508 people came. And let's see which source of traffic they came from. Let's see, all traffic. We got 1,615 people with display ads and 111 people with search intent ads. And the 217 came from social, and the paid were 80 people who were paid traffic. So did we use the same strategy as on this new strategy? Yes, we made paid ads with this one. On the other one, we didn't do any paid ads. So what happened was, we see that it's not about the traffic that will help you run your business. Of course, you need traffic, you need cold traffic, but if you're just driving cold traffic, sometimes it never converts. So you have to be able to retarget that cold traffic. When we made new ads in this year, we retargeted that traffic, but with a different product. But this product converted better than the first product, and that isn't on the same website. So what I'm trying to tell you is that each case study is different. For most of you who are there and you're like, I want lots and lots of traffic, you want also lots and lots of sales. So you should bear in mind that traffic doesn't equal sales. You should understand that traffic and sales are two separate things. So what you should understand is, how do you get your traffic to convert? And that's the trick you have to focus on. How do I get my traffic to convert? So you're getting lots and lots of traffic, but people are not buying. So how do you make them convert? So that's the trick you have to figure out yourself, and also find strategies on how to make it convert. So if you have questions and you need help on that, go to our digital marketing agency in the description link below, and then we'll help you do that. And the other thing is, what I've realized is, less traffic, if it's niche down, it's better, because on this channel we have this M&M theory where I say niche down, you just need the yellow M&Ms, because those are the yellow M&Ms I need. Maybe you need the blue ones, but I need the yellow ones. So just keep on niching down, because if you get the right audience to focus on your product, that audience will convert better and you'll be able to make sales. If you can make 100 people convert, it's better than getting 1,000 people that won't convert. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, like this video, comment, because it helps me grow this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. Love you lots, and watch more videos on this channel in 1, 2, 3, and